The fatherland needs leaders. Forget what you've been and what you think you're going to be. I'll make soldiers out of you or kill you.
Our courts are the great levelers. In our courts, all men are created equal.
By command of His Most Merciful Excellency, your lives are to be spared on the single condition that you identify the slave called Spartacus. I'm Spartacus. I'm Spartacus. I'm Spartacus. I'm Spartacus. I'm Spartacus.
Don't they ever stop migrating?